Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to create echo text effect in Premiere Pro. First, open the sequence. Select text tool and type the title you want. Select the typeface. It looks excellent in outline fonts. In the description, I provided a link to outline fonts. Now, it's time to animate the text. Move 10 frames forward. Copy the keyframes and paste them. Now, search for the echo effect in the effects panel. Now, add a color matte below the text layer and add a ramp effect to the layer. That's all for today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.